National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for South Central Livingston County, Kentucky, Northwestern Marshall County, Kentucky, Southeastern McCracken County, Kentucky, Northeastern Graves County, Kentucky, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Reedland, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Reedland and Ledbetter around 1:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Simpsonia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 14 and 29. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 49 and 51. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Graves, Livingston, Marshall, and McCracken.